I can't believe you actually stayed on the train for an extra hour.
I can. Zoe. I want to thank you. Growing up was just probably the average Central Coast kid. I've always liked the idea of solitude and I've always been a bit different. Kind of explains my way of life. These days, on and off for like, 2 years.
I took it from my dad's stash. I don't know if I'd be allowed. Come on, it's fun. I don't know.
My name is Marlon West. Can anyone out there hear me? I repeat, my name is Marlon West. Is anyone out there at all?